Hi there, Merry Christmas. Well, isn't this a strange one? However, we must keep the faith and decorate for Christmas. So in order to help you do that, I thought I'd talk to you about top to bottom. Don't worry, it's all good. Treetops. Everyone's asking for treetops. We have stars. We have lit hats. So much fun in Vine. Who could resist this merry old soul? Merry Christmas, he's telling us. Or just this jolly old soul who's just a snowman. Stars everywhere. Are you seeing stars? And for the bottom, we have the most glorious tree skirts. This one lights up. If you want super elegant, this is gorgeous. The reindeer all in silver and glitter. Perfect for this time of year in these times. Or you can have fun and have a snowman and a fun tree. Just some ideas to keep you enthused and inspired this Christmas. And just a little side note, we just want to let you know that we're keeping you safe. You can still come for appointments from 10 to 12, Monday to Friday. Saturday we're open at 11 until 5 and Sunday 12 until 5. If those times don't work for you, call us. We can accommodate. Merry Christmas and hope to see you soon.